My favorite walk in Rome winds through the back streets from the Pantheon to the Teatro Marcello. From the Pantheon, start wandering toward the river. Delightful surprises pop up as you wind your way through narrow streets. There's Piazza Navona and its famous fountains by the 17th century artist Bernini, who left his lively art in the streets and churches of Rome. Nearby at Campo dei Fiori, literally the field of flowers, you'll find a fruit and vegetable market every weekday morning. At the large square, the Largo Argentina, archaeologists continue to uncover ancient temples from the 5th century BC. The Largo is also known for its clerical outfitter shops, and the selection here is divine. Hidden away in these back streets is one of Rome's most charming fountains. The turtles weren't part of the original 16th century design. They were added later by none other than the artist Bernini. Our route ends at the stately Teatro Marcello, an ancient theater which, in typical Roman fashion, was converted to a palace in the 16th century and now houses luxury apartments. Wherever you go in Rome, you'll take in one of my favorite sights, Romans.
Sì, va bene, io ti aspetto.